Hello. Today we'll learn about Euler's equation of motion and through which we'll go towards Bernoulli's equation. अब स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको ये बता देता हूँ कि कंसिडर्ड एक एलिमेंट है, फ्लूइड एलिमेंट, जो कि मूव हो रहा है स्ट्रीमलाइन फ्लो लाइक दिस, ओके। जिसका एरिया है डी ए, इसकी लेंथ है डी एस और जो वेट लग रहा है वो डब्ल्यू है, जो कि डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में एक्ट हो रहा है। यहाँ पे प्रेशर P है, P1 एट ए सेक्शन ए पे प्रेशर P है और सेक्शन B पे प्रेशर है P प्लस डेल P बाय डेल S इंटू डी एस, ओके। दिस इज द प्रेशर एट A and this is the pressure at B. Now pressure force, we have to take out the pressure force. Here we'll see that is pressure force. What is force in terms of pressure? Yes, that is force equals to pressure into area. So the pressure in A, that is P, and the area, that is dA. So we can write pressure force is P into dA. Similarly, the pressure at B, that is pressure at A plus some small change that occurs here, that is P plus del P by del S into ds or into area. Now we'll move further, okay. As weight is moving in downward direction, we know that what is weight? Mass into gravity, G, mg, and mass we can write like this. What? Mass equals to density into volume. So density ka rho and volume we can write dA into ds. dA is the area and ds is the length. So area into length, that is volume. So I have written like this: weight equals to rho g dA ds, okay. Moving further, now using the second law of motion, that is force equals to mass into acceleration, okay. Very simple, you will be getting each and everything. अब क्या है? force is equals to mass into acceleration. Again we know mass equals to rho into g into dA ds and acceleration as. Now we'll consider all the forces and their direction. This is first force, that is pressure force acting in A. We are taking the direction which is moving from A to B is positive and from B to A, that is negative. So pressure force at A, that is P into dA. As this pressure we have taken negative, as it is moving in downward direction, we have written like this: minus P plus del P by del S into ds into dA, okay. Now as the weight component is in this direction with and making the angle theta with x direction, now we'll resolve this in the weight component in the x direction. That will be what? Rho g dA ds cos theta, okay. Okay, I'm writing like this here. This and equals to mass I have written like this: rho dA ds into as acceleration. Again I'll calculate all the forces. देखो फिर से ए पे जो भी फोर्स लग रहा था वो क्या है? P इंटू डी ए माइनस जो बी पे फोर्स था वो क्या है? P प्लस डेल पी बाई डेल एस इंटू डी एस इंटू डी ए माइनस जो एक्स डायरेक्शन पे जो वेट का जो कंपोनेंट लग रहा था वो क्या था? माइनस रो जी डी ए डी एस कॉस थीटा और इक्वल्स टू मास क्या था? रो dA ds into as, that is acceleration. Again I'm multiplying dA with p and this term and negative side in both the sides. While calculating my plus dA plus p into dA minus p into dA will be cancelled. So the term that is left, that is minus dp del p by del s into ds into dA minus rho g dA ds cos theta is equals to rho dA ds into acceleration. The acceleration we can write like this: the local velocity plus auxiliary velocity, that is dv by dt plus v dv by ds. Now assuming this as it is a steady flow, the assumption that we have made, that is the flow is steady, incompressible, continuous flow, and irrotational flow is there in this. So as it is a steady flow, the dv by dt is equals to 0. Here now what we have, the component that left in acceleration, that is v dv by ds. Again I have written like this here only, same as it is, and the leftover part, this I have taken in the minus side and equals to 0. Now dividing this by rho dA ds, this full term I have divided with rho dA ds. So what it is left now, minus del p rho ds minus g cos theta v dv by ds equals to 0. We know cos theta, this cos theta, that is equals to dz upon ds. This is dz and this is ds. Cos theta, what is the cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse. This is base and this is hypotenuse. So we can write like this: cos theta equals to dz upon ds. Now taking all the ds term common and multiplied with 0, what we get, and taking all the negative terms common, then all the negative terms get cancelled. The leftover term, that is del p by rho plus g dz plus v dv equals to 0. The term which we get in this, that is del p by rho g dz v dv is equals to 0. Integrating this is called the Euler's equation, and integrating this term will get the Bernoulli's equation. Del p by g plus zz plus v dv equals to 0. Integrating we get p by rho plus gz plus v square by 2 equals to constant. Now dividing all the term with g, we get p upon rho g v square upon 2g plus z equals to constant. And Bernoulli's equation also I will explain. For a complete incompressible fluid flowing continuously, the total energy of a fluid remains constant, that is sum of pressure head, kinetic head and datum head remains constant. P upon rho g plus v square upon 2g plus z equals to constant.